Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can already see from the title of this video, I'm gonna detangle my wig that I have given up on. Honestly don't know if there's hope for this wig, but I'm gonna try and detangle it. I'm gonna show you the befores and just take you through the process because wow, I don't know how we got here. Please do not be scared, do not be frightened. Ladies and gentlemen, there she is. Honestly don't know how we got here, but as you can see, this wig is so matted, so tangled, so dry. So in this video I'm gonna attempt to bring life back into this wig. This is one of those wigs that I have given up on. So first things first, I'm working in very small sections. So I'm literally going row by row and just detangling in smaller pieces. Also there will be a lot of shedding in this process because we need to get rid of all the knots. These are some of the combs that I'm using, and yeah, let's get to detangling. And this process is gonna take forever, but at the end it's gonna be worth it. So this is what I mean by we're gonna detangle one track at a time. I think that is way easier and you have more control, and that way you know that every strand of the hair is detangled. As you can see, I still have a long way to go. And already the shedding has started. 50 hours later, we have managed to detangle the whole entire wig. As you can see, I am sweating. This took forever, but the whole wig is finally detangled, and this is how much hair I've lost in the process, which is normal, honestly. So I'm gonna put some boiled water in the sink, and you're gonna use any conditioner of your choice. And it's just gonna put that in the water, and you need to use a very generous amount. Literally, I'm gonna drench this wig in conditioner. And of course I put in more conditioner. Like I said, this wig needs moisture back, so literally I've drenched it in conditioner, and now I'm gonna put this growth oil. Any hair oil will do, and I put also a very generous amount, and I'm gonna let this hair sit in this concoction for 45 minutes. "45 minutes later, I'm back, and we're gonna detangle some more. It's very important that you do not skip this step. So you need to detangle the hair some more, because as you can see, as I'm combing it out, we are getting the curl pattern back. I've never seen this wig this curly since I bought it. So further detangling, I'd say this is a very important step. This was definitely a step that I would skip when I was washing this wig. So keyword detangle.
Tell me what you say now. Tell me what you say, come again. If you cannot stay down.
And I'm going to use the special feeling gel activator just to bring back the curl pattern a little bit more. But honestly, you can skip this step. As you can already see, the wig is very, very defined already. I personally prefer air drying my wigs, so I did leave this wig to air dry overnight, and we'll see in the morning what it looks like. Finally, it is the next day and I have tried the wig on. As you guys can already see, I do not know how to act. I have never seen this wig so bouncy, so soft, so moisturized. The curls are so defined. I'm shook. Yeah, you can see I'm very, very, very shocked. I was ready to give up on this wig. I cannot believe my eyes right now. Look at the curl definition. Yes, honey, stiff wear. Stiff wear. Here's a close-up of how defined the curls are. Guys, look at that bounce. I did want to comb it out here and see what it's gonna look like. As you can see, the brush is gliding on beautifully. Every inch of this hair is detangled. I cannot believe my eyes, honestly.
Different types of shit. You was really the realest when I be fighting it. I think your pride is just in the way. Funny how everything changed. Once you got all that you wanted, nothing was ever the same. And though I don't need you, I don't need you, I don't need you, I don't need you, I still want you. I don't mean to, I don't mean to, I don't mean to, I don't mean to, but I love you. I don't need you, I don't need you, I don't need you, I don't need you, but I want you. I don't mean to, I don't mean to, I don't mean to, I don't mean to, but I love you.